Yeah! We won the battle. The lady's gonna go nuts. She's gonna think something's wrong with it.
I'm in heaven right now.
Doing the little shuffle.
Are you fired up? I'm fired up!
Straight up right now like I'm a Terminator.
You kind of load it and then just pull it back.
Get out of the kitchen. I'm not even playing.
This is action. This is what we do in the movies. Hey, watch the road.
These my shitters. When y'all think about robbing this place, you and Mango gonna tear y'all ass up. God bless my mother.
I'm better than Charles Barkley, and I don't even play.
I don't like the bottle, I don't like the size, I don't like the label. Other than that, it's great, okay?
I'm looking for a foot, and I'm begging for an inch. That's what she said. That's right.
Can you come out here and just be Justin?
This is my place to recharge my battery, for sure.
The one man who's finally gonna make me able to play this game. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Rock. Michael Phelps. I mean, you know what it takes. So it's all up to you. Huh?
Let's go. We don't have that much time. What the hell are you doing?
Cut it off. I'm choking to death back here.
Everybody thinks they deserve a carrot, but it's the stick that gets people's attention.
Step away. You can't be back here anymore. Focus on the customers.
Who else has golf meetings with a major television network watching? Nobody, okay? Nobody. It's Trump.
You can really get cleaned out here in Vegas. We do the cleaning up.
Did you know that a bald eagle can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour?
It's not the sound you want to hear when you're on an airplane.
I thank God that we're all here. I don't want to get too emotional.
Kenny is missing his right arm here, but it really makes no difference. These are extraordinary, man.
After Elvis, then Sinatra came along, and then after Sinatra, Dylan, and then after Dylan, Zeppelin.
She's like a little angel, a savior, that walked into a place of hopelessness and pulled out winners, man.
All right, man, y'all can turn them cameras off. We done for the day.